Hey guys, Ethan here from Fresh Kixx Shoe Laundry, and today we're going to be doing another unboxing, and we have a special guest who is my mom, and she ordered a pair of shoes off of Adidas, and hope you enjoy the video. Okay, so now we're going to start opening up the box. I'm going to let my mom open it because they're her shoes.
Alright, so exciting! Ooh. Oh. Nice.
Okay, so the box for the shoes looks really cool. It's a special Stella McCartney box. I don't quite know who she is. I think she's some sort of designer. I'm gonna ask you, who is Stella McCartney?
Yeah, she's a famous designer. She's the daughter of a very famous Beatle, Paul McCartney. Yeah, she does a lot of stuff for Adidas and a lot of stuff for her own brand.
Oh, why did you get the shoes?
Well, I saw them when we were in Paris this summer and loved them. And since you and Carson are always talking about how awesome Ultra Boosts are, I wanted a pair.
Yeah, they're pretty good shoes.
Yeah. So
I got 3 pairs, I think. 3?
Yeah.
One's too small now. And then, yeah.
All right.
So
We'll let to open them now.
Open them.
Okay.
Go ahead. They're your
Awesome.
shoes.
Very excited for these. Nice matching tissue paper. Ooh. Look at those. Leopard print. You know Mom loves her leopard print.
I do. You do like it a lot.
Awesome. Those are pretty cool. Yeah. I like. What do you think?
Those
Pretty cool.
They're pretty cool. Haven't seen anything like them. Special post. Okay, so now we're gonna talk about some features of the shoe. So for the shoe, the leopard print boost is something you don't see on a lot of other Ultra Boosts. I don't think there's actually really any other Ultra Boosts with them. And then obviously in the middle here you have it says Stella McCartney, the Adidas logo there. The middle part of the upper is not attached to the midsole of the shoe. So I think that's just something they do for certain Ultra Boosts. Alright, so what do you like about the shoe?
Well, obviously I like the leopard print. I think that's pretty cool. And like I said, you guys talked about how comfortable these shoes are, so I'm super excited to try them and see if they're as comfortable as you claim they are. Yeah. That's it, pretty much.
Okay, so what are you planning on using these shoes for? Because I know you run a lot, but I don't know if you want to run with these. 'Cause
Probably not going to run in these. I'm running through the mall. That's about it.
Yeah.
I'm going to use them mostly just for, I think, hanging out and living life.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Traveling.
Maybe we'll go back to Paris. I can wear them there.
Yeah. Cool. That's where you found them.
That's where I found them. Yeah.
Okay. So how did you find the shoe? Because I know you've been looking for them for quite a while now.
Yeah, I've been searching for them online. They were out of stock on Adidas for a long time, and they were very expensive, and I wasn't totally willing to pay the expensive price, so I was kind of waiting and watching to see if they would go on sale over Christmas, and they did, and then they were out of my size, and then I just happened to look the other day, and they had 1 pair in my size, and they were on sale, so I snapped them up.
It's good.
Yeah, it's a
lucky.
deal. And they came super fast, like in 2 days. So yay, adidas.ca.
Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. Special thanks for my mom for coming to do it with me.
Thanks for having me.
You're welcome.
Hug it out.